Okay, so following the last video, you now understand how to add products to your Shopify website. And now you're wondering what's next. The beauty about Shopify is that they make it very easy for you to set up other stores. So rather than, say, going to the Shop app or Instagram app or TikTok app to set up your products one by one, Shopify makes it easy where you can just install the application and then push the product over to the other side. Obviously, there's some setup that you need to do, but they make it easy so that you just follow the prompts. There is a thing where TikTok doesn't allow certain number of characters for your SKU, and so you do need to edit that, and we can certainly go over that. But this video really is to let you know the apps that you should install so that whatever you're creating on Shopify will then automatically push to all of those sales channels. So rather than doing things multiple times, you do it once on Shopify and then you push that product to those platforms. What happens is that when someone buys off of those platforms, it will then trigger a sale within your Shopify app, and then you can fulfill it in the app. And so that's what makes e-commerce so beauty with the ease of Shopify, which is what makes them the industry leaders today. In addition to that, there's also a couple of apps that you should install, which will help you with your product listing. So this is changing how your filters look when it comes to different variations, whether you have different colors. There's also reviews that you want to import so that it makes you look more legitimate. And so in this video, I'm going to show you all of the products that you should be installing after you started building your site, after you started migrating some of your products over, and then optimizing the SEOs and things like that. So first things first, in your Shopify app under sales channels on the left side, you'll probably only see online store. That refers to the Shopify online store that you're working on. But you can click on the Shopify App Store, which will bring you to their marketplace where you can install different types of apps. And in this area, you want to search and install all the sales channels that relates to the product that you're selling. So for example, StockX is known for selling shoes. And if you're going to create your own Shopify site where you have a shoe sale to offer, then you would want to install that. But if it's not applicable for you, then obviously you don't want to install that. The 5 apps that I recommend are TikTok Shop, because they are multi-billion-dollar industry at this point. The Shop app, which is very popular when it comes to shopping in the US. Facebook, Instagram, also huge marketplace, and Facebook or Meta is kind of where you're going to do most of your ad marketing, since a lot of people that are in the dropshipping industry have all recommended that they have done ads in Meta. And also, frankly, they're one of the first to kind of monetize this ad space, the digital ad space. Google and YouTube, and of course Pinterest. So these are the 5 sales channels apps that I would recommend, and they're very easy to set up. You just follow the prompts. Then you want to add these apps for your Shopify shop, and these are all free. There is a paid premium version that allows you to unlock different types of things, but when you're starting, there's really no need to pay for any of those unless you feel that it will help you in your business and will bring you ROI. So The first one is swatchy, color swatches, COLOUR. And the way that it's spelled with an U means that it's from the UK. In fact, Shopify is very popular amongst people in Britain, in the UK, in Europe. So what this does is it will change the way your variations come up. Let's say, for example, here is a product, and notice how the variation changes here. So this is what it does. It changes the way your variations are displayed so that it is much more user-friendly rather than just the words. So that is what swatchy does. Then you have search and discovery. Search and discovery really is for the area where all your products are listed. And it allows you to group colors. So for example, under blue, dark is what I have. But in this category, I have denim, I have dark navy, I have all those different types of colors. And so this allows you to group certain colors and allow them to display it. There is a little bit more advanced here because I did something on this page where I'm displaying every single variation, and so that you have to go into code to do that. I'm not a coder, but I worked in the tech industry as a project manager, so I know how to speak to developers, and I know how to do requirements gathering. So what I simply did was I prompted AI as if AI was like an intern, right? Engineer or senior engineer in that case. Or I like to call AI as like a very excited, enthusiastic intern because they don't always get everything right, but they get the majority of things right, and they have a good spirit every time they're wrong. So the third app I would recommend is Judge.me Reviews. And there's two things you need to install. There's the reviews, which is the widget that it will show up on your website, which is, say for example, not here. So let me go back. Let me find something. So it's really these things here, right? And then when you go into it, notice there are ratings. So these are actual ratings from actual people. But what it does is that it makes your site look legitimate when you do have a rating. And what Judge.me Importer does is that it allows you to import the ratings based on the product that you just created. And after you import it, it will then show up on your product on the website with the actual ratings. So I hope this video helps. And let me know in the comments what you think. These are all free apps, so there's no extra charge, but they do have a premium version. But you should subscribe to it only if you feel like it's going to help your website. When you're starting at the beginning, there's really no need to pay for any of these things. But it does help you improve your site. So if you feel like there's another app that I'm missing, please let us know in the comments, and I'll definitely look into it. But otherwise, I hope this really helps.